Real estate term of the day, exculpatory clause. Exculpatory clause is a clause that protects the borrower from the lender to go after you in a foreclosed scenario. Here's an example. You owe $350,000 on your house, and the lender could only get $300,000 for the house. There's a $50,000 lost. So who pays that? Well, if you have an exculpatory clause, you're safe because it is known as a non-recourse loan. They cannot come after you. If you don't have this clause, they're going to come after you for as a deficiency judgment. A lot of us don't have this clause, but it's a great clause to have because it does protect you in an event of a foreclosure, exculpatory clause. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to set up a one-on-one tutoring session to try and pass the state sales agent or broker's state test, please go ahead and pick a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.